This lesson is transformations, dilations, using board number 18. What we're going to do is we're going to take some red pond markers and we're going to start off using a 3x3 square. So we're going to plot the initial coordinates at -1, 2, -1, -1, 2, -1, and 2, 2. So you can see that we've just plotted a 3x3 square, and we'll use the red ponds to demonstrate that using those 4 coordinates. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to enlarge this square using a scale factor of 4. So if we enlarge the shape by a scale factor of 4, both the new length and the new width become 12 units. So what we can do is we can represent the right side. If we increase that by a scale factor of 4, we now know that it has 12 units rather than 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. The bottom side will be 12, the left side and the top side will be 12. Therefore, what we've done is we've taken a 3x3 square and we've enlarged it by a scale factor of 4, making the old side lengths from 3 now to the new side lengths of 12 units. If we look at the area of this square, we know that the old area was 3 times 3, which is 9 square units. And if we look at the new area, we can see that it is 12 by 12. So the scale factor has not increased by a factor of 4, but it has increased by a factor of 16, because both the length and the width, 2 dimensions, have increased by a scale factor of 4. So if you take the area of 9 square units times 4 for the length times 4 for the width, you will end up with an answer of 144 square units, and the area has multiplied by a factor of 16, 4 times 4. We can also use this board to show or demonstrate to students reductions. So let's start off with a very large square using the whole board, and we'll reduce this by a scale factor of 1/2. So what we need to do is we need to decrease each side by a scale factor of 1/2. So the side length of the top is 6 to here plus 6 to here, so the total is 12. And if we need to cut that in half, then we need to take it down to 6. And if we do the same thing for the bottom, it will be 6 units, which is half of the total distance of 12. And the right side the same, and the left side the same. So we can take it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 6. And now we have shown a reduction using a scale factor of 1/2. Each side length is now 1/2 of the original side length. This is how you use board number 18 to perform reductions.